Stop wasting your time doing boring, repetitive tasks. If you're still manually scheduling meetings, writing emails from scratch, or spending hours on research, you're literally falling behind in 2026. Today, I'm sharing 5 AI tools that act like a personal assistant, saving you at least 10 hours of work every single week. Let's dive straight in. First up is Smart Scheduler. Forget the back and forth emails to schedule a meeting. This AI analyzes your to-do list and automatically carves out time in your calendar for your deep work. It actually protects your time so you don't get distracted. It's like having a project manager inside your calendar. Next, ditch traditional search engines. Perplexity AI is a game changer for research. Instead of clicking through 10 different links to find an answer, this gives you a summarized, fact-based response with direct citations. I've saved hours of reading time just by switching to this. Number 3 is the holy grail of automation, Zapier. With their new AI integration, you can literally tell it in plain English. When I get an email from a client, save the attachment to Drive and message me on Slack. You don't need to be a coder, you just need to know how to describe what you want. If you're a creator or a professional, Canva Magic Studio is essential. Their Magic Studio can turn a simple prompt into a full presentation, a social media graphic, or even edit your videos. It removes the blank page problem entirely. Finally, if you're still taking notes in meetings, stop. Firefiles AI joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls, transcribes everything, and gives you a summary of the action items and key decisions. You can actually stay present in the meeting while the AI handles the paperwork. Look, these tools aren't just about speed, they're about giving you back your freedom. I've linked all of them in the description below. Which one of these are you going to test first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead in this AI-driven world, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.